Hey, welcome to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be drawing a candy corn dino. For this dinosaur, let's make a curve like a little U. Now go up and make a little spike. Now go down and make another little spike, but this time make it go up. Now start right here and curve it almost to the end right there. Now close it up. Looks good. Now I'm going to start right here, make a little line, and kind of curve. This is going to be the top of the hat. So go down and back into the little line that we made earlier. Let's make some detail marks on the hat with a curve. Start on the other side of the hat. We're going to make a curve like this. And let's start with the dinosaur's head. So make a curve and a little snout with a smile. There's a little smile mark. Now at the kind of the bottom right here, you're going to go and make a big long neck. I'm going to start making the eye. Here's an eye, just a circle. And another circle right there. Looks good. Let's start on the body. Make a curve like this, kind of like an S. Go up, big curve, and down like this. Now I want to start making the tail by going up and then go down. Stop right about there because there's going to be a leg. Let's make the leg mark, go down with a line, down with another line, and curve it to the first one. Now let's go right about here, make a line, and a line down like this. I'm going to make a curve in just like my other one. And then kind of make sure that you fill in the middle part. And you can connect this side to the foot. There you go. Looks great so far. Now let's add another leg just right behind it. And I'm going to make one right here. There you go. Kind of like a little L-shaped mark. We're going to draw the candy corn marks by making a curve like this, and then another curve, one more. At the top, he's going to have these little spikes of candy corn, so just make a curve like this, and then draw as many spikes as you want. I'll draw one right here. Some can be small, some can be big. I'll draw one right here. Let's draw another one. And one right there. You could even make little tiny ones on the tail like this. Now you're going to make 2 marks on each little candy corn. 1, 2, just like that. On the next one, same thing. And keep going. Everywhere that you want a candy corn, make 2 marks. Perfect. Now for the foot, I'm going to make little kind of nail marks right there. And that's also going to be a candy corn. So put 2 lines in each. 2 lines in each right there. Make a triangle. Another one. And let's put the same kind of marks. 2 lines. 2 lines. Perfect. I'm going to make a curly Q right here. Like a swirl right there. That'll be the knee mark. Forgot to attach the hat to his head. There we go. Let's make a nose, a little circle. Now, our dinosaur is not going to be complete without a candy bucket. So draw a line and a line kind of following that. A line like this, and then another line. That'll be the handle of the bucket, kind of coming out of his mouth. Make a curve to attach the sides. Another curve. That'll be the top of the bucket. And then you can make a curve in. Mine's going to be like a pumpkin bucket. Curve like this. And then one U shape inside. I'm going to make kind of like a little jack-o'-lantern, so just a smile with 2 circles for eyes. You can make yours scary or spooky or anything you want. Let's work inside the bucket. I want to make some candy. Draw a circle. And a little shape like this. That'll be a little piece of candy. Draw 2 lines. Make kind of random candies everywhere. Here's the line here. And a line there. Kind of shows like the candies inside the bucket. Perfect. Now what I want to do is color, color, color inside for the handles. Color, color, color. Perfect. I hope you stay and join me in coloring our little spooky, cute dino. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye.